Very good morning students, welcome back to our online class. So in today's class we'll be discussing about, as we have seen in the last session, in today's class too we'll discuss about how to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. I told you what is an expression. An expression is a combination of both operands and the operator. What are operands I told you, what are operators I told you, and we discussed about three types of expressions. One is infix, postfix and prefix. Okay. Later we have seen the conversion, how to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. So for that I have given 4 assignment questions. I think 4 to 5 problems I have included in your assignment questions. So those questions only I am solving it on the board. So in the last class 2 examples I have discussed. One is by taking the numericals, next one is by taking the literals or the variables. I have done 2 examples. One is with the help of literals, one is with the help of your constants. Okay, so we have discussed 2. Now these assignment questions, everything I have given with the help of literals only, I mean your variables. Here just I have taken an infix expression. Now you can take any infix expression. Okay, then you can try to solve it by yourself. For your assignment question, I have included only 5. So if you want to take an expression by yourself, you take few expressions and try to solve it out. So here I have taken the expression. So this is a quite big expression, which is nothing but an infix expression. A bar B into C minus D plus E divided by F divided by G plus H. Okay, so what are the rules? I just brief for the algorithm which I have done, okay, last class. So what is the rule for converting the given infix expression to postfix expression in the sense? So when you encounter a literal, what to do? Here literals are nothing but your ABCD, okay, or a constant or a variable. When you encounter these things are called as operands. I told you ABC, 1, 2, 3, all these things are called as operands, and the arithmetic operators we call it as an operator. So when I encounter the operand like A, B, C, D and all, I have to directly put it into your output. When we encounter the operators, we have to put it onto the stack. Even the brackets, you need to put it onto the stack. How to pop out, I told the rules. Okay. Once a highest priority operator is sitting in the stack, when least priority comes, first you need to pop out the highest priority operator which is there in the stack. Then you have to put the least priority operator in the stack. Wherein when a least priority operator is there in the stack, when highest priority operator comes inside the stack, he can stay together. He can be there in the stack. For example, I have here plus, I have a next operator that is asterisk or division sign that can be there in the stack. But whereas I have asterisk in the stack, then I just input plus. First I need to pop out asterisk, then only plus can stay inside the stack. So as I told you, in the stack, a stack will be like this. So if I have asterisk, then I have a plus sign. This is having highest priority. When I have an highest priority operator which is present inside the stack, this you need to pop out, put it into your output. Later you have to put plus inside your stack. Whereas the vice versa is not possible. For examples, I have plus here, I have asterisk here. This can be possible. Okay, I have plus here, so this is having highest priority, plus is having least priority. Both can stay in the stack. Okay, so this is the criteria. Now we'll solve this problem having keeping these points in your mind. You can try to solve the problem. Now see, now what is the expression? Is nothing but a input. First, what input I read, that is A. So A is nothing but an operand. So A has to go to your output. Now stack will be empty. Okay, stack will be empty. Next I have division sign. Now division is an operator, and put it inside your stack. Your output will have as it is A. Next I have B. So where B has to go? B as an it is an operand. It has to go to your output. Next we have asterisk. Now I have division sign. Both are having equal priority. So I just pop out this and put asterisk. A, B. Okay, I have division sign. Next I have minus. Okay, now minus, after star I have C. Okay, C is again an operand. C can go to the output. Next I have minus. Minus is an operator. Say I have a highest priority operator, that is asterisk. Minus can't sit inside that, so you need to pop out asterisk. So A, B bar C asterisk. Okay. Next I have D. Okay. D is nothing but an operand. It has to go to your output. Next we have plus. Okay, both are having equal priority. So let me pop out this minus. Okay, next I have E. Okay, next I have slash. This is your division sign, so this will go and sit here. After plus I have E, then I have slash. So this is possible. Next I have F. See, F I have taken. F where it will go, what was there inside your stack? It was plus and division. F will go to your output. What is there in your output? A, B, slash, C, star, D, E, then minus E and F. Okay. Next I have again a division. Okay. So this division I will pop out. This division will stay. A, B, slash, C, star, D, minus E, F, slash. Okay. Next I have bracket. Next I have G. So G is an operand. It has to go to your output. Okay. Next we have plus. Next we have plus. Next we have H. Okay, now we have opening closing bracket. So if I put a closing bracket, opening and closing brace will get cancelled, only plus will go to your output. Okay, so what will happen? This will get cancelled. When I encounter a plus, you need to pop out till you encounter the opening bracket. Whatever is there in between closing and opening bracket, that has to go to your stack. If that happens, only plus and this division will be left out. So AB slash C star B E F slash G H plus, okay, plus, okay, this will be left out. Now once next in the next step, what will happen? This will be empty. So I need to slash out first this one slash bar, that is bar. I will be popping the division operator. Okay, next this will be empty, this will be empty. Finally I have plus. So AB slash star B E F slash G H plus. Okay, so this is your answer for your first one. So again we'll just trace it, whether our problem where we went wrong or whether our problem is right, how to cross verify, I'll tell you. So we'll just check. See, whenever we encounter an operand, it has to go to your output. Then we have encountered slash. Slash is an operator, it has to sit on your stack. Next we had B. B has to go to your output. Next we have asterisk. Asterisk has to go to your stack. Next is C. C has to go to your. When I have asterisk, I need to pop out this. Next we had C. C will go to your output. Next I have encountered minus, but I have an asterisk. Asterisk has to go first, then only minus can sit inside the stack. Next I have D. So D and minus as it is, D will go to your output. Next I have plus. So this both are having equal priority, so I just popped out minus. Next I have E. E I have. Next plus will be there in this stack. E I have. When I have E, what will happen? I have plus here. E will be as it is. He will go to your output. Next I have slash. So here I have plus and slash, both can stay together. Why? Because plus is having least priority, this is having the highest priority. So this will be as it is. Next I have F will go to your output. One more slash if I encounter, this slash will go out, one more slash will come. Double slash cannot come, one slash will go out. Why? Because both are having equal priority. Next I have this will be as it is. Next I have opening brace. After opening brace I encountered G, again G will go to output. Then I have plus will go and sit in the stack. Then I encountered H will go to your output. Then closing bracket. So opening and closing bracket will get cancelled. Again my plus will go to your output. What is left out in the stack? Plus and hash. Then if I pop out, first I will pop out flush. So this is nothing but I should not write, this is empty. It is not minus, it is empty. So what is left out in the stack? Only plus. In the last step we will get the answer as AB slash C star D minus EF slash GH plus slash plus. Okay, so this will be our answer. Next we'll see the next. Okay, we'll see the next problem, second problem. This will just take down bracket of A plus B. So you take our opening brace, we have A plus B into C minus D divided by E. Okay, the C plus only, this division is only for this. Okay, divided by E. So we'll take the first we'll take the bracket. So bracket where it will go to the stack. So initially your output will be empty. Next I have A, where A will go. A is an operand, it has to go to your output. Next we have plus where it will go. It will go to your stack. Next I have B. B will go to your output. Next I have closing. So opening and closing bracket will get closed, will get disintegrated. This will be empty. Minus will go to your outside. Plus will go to your output. Next you have asterisk. Asterisk where it will go? It will go to the stack. So A, B plus. Next I have opening bracket. So I have asterisk. So asterisk opening bracket. This is A, B plus. Next I have C. C where it will go? C is an operand. It will go to your output. A, B plus C. Next I have minus. Again minus will go sit inside your stack. So this is A, B plus C. Okay. Next I have D. This will be asterisk bracket minus. This is AB plus CD. Okay. Next I have closing. So opening and closing bracket will get cancelled. Only minus will be popped out. So we have only asterisk AB plus CD and you have minus. Okay. Next you have division. Division and this will have equal priority. So this will go first. AB plus CD minus asterisk. Okay. Next I have E. So E is an operand. AB plus CD minus asterisk. So I have E here. So E will go to your output. Okay. Next this is empty. This will also be empty. Why? Because now I will pop out this to your output. AB plus CD minus asterisk E and then we have a division symbol. Okay. So this is your output. Okay. Next we'll see next example. Okay, next we'll see third example. It's a quite lengthy example. So now first we have a bracket. So this bracket where it will go to the stack. So your output initially it will be empty. Next we have one more brace. So again it will go to your stack. So this will be empty itself again. Next I have A. So if I have A, this will be as it is. Now A will go to your output. Okay. Next I have plus. So plus will go to your stack. Output will be A. Next I have B. Where B will go? B will go to your output. Again next I have closing bracket. So when our closing bracket comes, this opening and closing will get cancelled. Only one bracket will be there. So plus will be popped out. Okay, AB plus. Next I have asterisk. So asterisk will go to stack. This will be AB plus. Next I have C. C will go to your output. Next I have minus. See, when I have a least priority in the stack. Already I have an highest priority operator, so this will be popped out. So I have A, B plus C asterisk. So here minus will go to your stack. Next I have again a opening bracket. So opening minus opening, A, B plus C, I have star. Next I have D. So where D will go? A, B plus C asterisk D. Next I have minus. Again minus will go sit in your stack. A, B plus C star D I have as it is. Next I have E. See E again, it will go to your output. Next we have I have a closing bracket. So when I have a closing bracket, this opening and closing will get cancelled. So what will be popped out? Only minus will be popped out. Again one more minus and opening brace will be there in your stack. Okay. So next here I just continue. This is a continuation, so I am not going to write again stack expression or not. So here what we have did, this till here we did. Next E, one closing bracket we encountered. Next one more closing bracket. One more closing bracket comes means again this and this will get cancelled. Only minus will pop out, so this will be empty. So what will be there in your output? A, B plus C star D E minus minus. Okay. Next I have plus. Plus where it will go? It will go to your stack. A, B plus C star D E minus minus. Okay. Next I have F. F where it will go? F will go to your output. Again we have one more opening bracket. So we have opening bracket. This will go to your stack A, B plus C star D E minus minus. Next I have F. Okay, F where it will go? Again F will go to your A, B plus C star D E minus minus. I have F. Okay, next I have one more plus. Again where this plus will go? This will go sit in your stack. We have A, B plus C star D E minus minus F. Okay, next I have G. Where G will go? It will go to your output. A, B plus C star D E minus minus F and G. Okay, next I have closing bracket. Opening and closing bracket will get cancelled. So I will be having only plus here. Okay, this plus will go to your output. So I have A, B plus C star D E minus minus F G plus. Okay, next this will be empty. This also will be empty. Why? Because I am going to pop out plus again to your output. So what will be your answer? A, B plus C star D E minus minus F G plus plus. Okay. So this is your final answer. So this is example 3. We will see last one more example. Okay students, we will see the last example. A minus B bar bracket of C star P divided by E, then again closing bracket. So first expression what we have the first input A. So stack will be initially it will be empty. So it will go to your output. We will have A. Next we have minus will go to your stack. Next this is A. Next we have B. B where it will go? It will go to your output. Okay. Next we have slash cannot. Okay, this is having least priority, so slash can sit inside the stack. Next I have a opening brace. So opening brace will go to your stack. This I have AB. Next I have C. Again C will go to your output. That is AB C. Okay. Next I have asterisk ABC. Next I have D. So D will go to your output. A, B, C slash, so this will go out. Okay. Next I have E. So E will go to your output. Okay. Next I have a closing bracket. So when I encounter a closing bracket, opening and closing will get cancelled. The slash will go to your output. Only minus and slash will be left out in the stack. So this will be A, B, C, D, star, E, slash. Okay. Next, this will be empty. So I just put this out. A, B, C, D, star, E, 2 slash it will be. So again it will be empty. Here this will be empty. Again minus will be popped out to your output. A, B, C, D, star, E, double slash, then we have minus. Okay. So this is your output. Okay. So thank you students. This is your assignment questions. If you have any doubt, you just come back to me. Okay. Thank you.